What's up? Welcome to What's in the Shop. We take you behind the scenes every Wednesday and show you what we're doing here at Blackout in Latrobe. We'll start in the window tint bay. Terrell and Bryant, aka Kobe, are tinting in a 2011 Infinity. Zach's working on a RAV4. This one got window tint on, I think, the sunroof, the front windows. Got paint protection film on the front end and the rocker panels. That's what we call our track package. And now it's getting a ceramic coating. In the wash bay, we've got an annual inspection on a ceramic coating for a BMW. And up here, by the lift, Aaron's currently doing touch-up on a completed PPF job. That one will be going home today. Outside, we'll start with this beautiful car. I don't think many people make a car prettier than Aston Martin. This one got a stealth wrap a bit ago. There was some paint damage to the rear bumper, so it went to have that paint damage fixed and then stealth applied on that back bumper. That's why it's back. And then we ceramic coated it as well. We also lightened up the tint. He didn't like how dark it was, so he changed his mind on that. One of our loaner cars, one of our old loaner cars, we are the only shop around that if you drop your car off with us, you get to take ours for free. We have Mazda CX-30s that are brand new. These are sort of our backup ones. In fact, that one's gonna be leaving very soon. That one's for sale. I've been talking about it for months. It's finally here. The tickets for the Shop with a Cop C8. Westmoreland Community Action and Shop with a Cop teamed up to give away a C8 Corvette. We did window tint, paint protection film, and a ceramic coating. And because of our reach online, we've decided to work with them to help promote it. So we're not doing the giveaway, but we are selling a ticket. So if you want a ticket, it's $100 a ticket, cash or check only, available in store, in person only, here at Blackout and anywhere else that somebody might have tickets. If you want to win a Corvette on Christmas this year, now's your chance. Beside that's an Audi A3 we did some window tint on this morning, and a Chevy Tahoe that got PPF. So the hood, the front bumper, and the mirrors got done on this one. Over here's a BMW X3. We did PPF. Hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors. That's it. No track pack on that one. This belongs to our front desk sales guy here at Latrobe, Frank. If you guys call in or stop in, there's a good chance you're gonna talk to Frank or Jimmy at Latrobe. That's his car. It's getting a ceramic coating while he is on vacation. Beside that is Dr. M3's Model Y. Lots of content to come on that one. He replaced it with a new one, but he's keeping this car. 136,000 miles on it, and it is a true testament to what PPF and ceramic coating can do for your car. Up front, we have an F-150. This one is about ready to go home. It got a ceramic coating. It's shining, looking wonderful. And beside that is a Sierra Denali Ultimate. This one was here for an annual inspection. That's it for what's happening in Latrobe. Let's check out North Pittsburgh and Miami, and soon, one or two other places.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Next in line for some paint protection film is this Porsche 911T from our friends at Audi Porsche Swickley. This is getting a track package. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Mustang Dark Horse. This just got out of the paint protection film bay. It got a full front clip, rocker panels, A-pillars, and partial roof. Mark's currently doing a polish and a 4-year coating on the entire vehicle. In the tint bay, we got Ian working on this minivan, a Toyota Sienna. This is getting full tint, doing all the side windows and the back window and our Prime XR film. Also in the tint bay is this Kia K5. This is getting our xpel Prime CS 20% tint on the side windows and the back window. In the prep bay, we got Jason here prepping a 2008 Cayman S. This is next in line for some paint protection film. We are doing a full front clip, A-pillars, and partial roof. In the back, we got the guys wrapping up this Ford Ranger. This is in for a full 8mm paint protection film wrap. Once we do some final quality checks on this thing, it's gonna head over to the Marks Bay and get a 4-year coating. We are also tinting the 2 front windows of this vehicle in 20% to match the factory tint. All right, we got some bonus content here. We got Austin with his new Grom. Tell us about this thing, Austin. Also in for some paint protection film is this Civic Type R. This is getting our 8mm paint protection film and a track package. Entire front, lower rockers, lower doors. Up front, we have a Ford Maverick here. This got some paint protection film on the majority of the truck. We did the entire front, the lower doors, the bed sides, and the tailgate. And it's back in the shop today to get an 8-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
In the PPF bay, we have this Nissan GTR. Tint for some stealth paint protection film on the white and gloss on all the carbon. This Rolls-Royce Spectre is in for some paint protection film on the fenders, doors, quarters, and front bumper.